Sydney's Luna Park is an iconic amusement park that has a great vintage atmosphere. Actually, the first time it opened was in 1935, since it is so retro. The entry is free through the Big Smile Face, but you have to buy a pass to go on the rides. You might enjoy a number of thrilling and enjoyable rides at the park. Depending on your height, the rides are divided into yellow, green and red categories. Once you colored Brisbane Riders Pass with your height information applied, you are free to enter and exit the park whenever you like throughout that day's operation hours. Also, you might find yourself playing these games in the slideshow alley, and if you are lucky, you can take home a prize. By throwing a ball into the open-mouthed clowns, or the knocks, where you must actually knock them down with a ball, you can try your hand at the well-known laughing clowns. The high striker, where you have to batter your way to the top, is what you choose if you want to truly experience a carnival. So be sure to check the slideshow alley, since there's something for everyone there. The Helker Stelker Cafe offers a respectable selection of food alternatives. Outside, there are benches where you can take a break and enjoy a stunning view of Sydney. There's an ice cream shop too, where frozen slushy drinks, popcorn, hot dog, and ice cream for sure are all available. Looking for a kid-friendly ride? You might enjoy the ride with the children's seat right next to you thanks to the Little Nipper. Join the Luna Frogs as they bounce around. Everyone, even the little children, can enjoy them. This attraction, which drops and bounces up and down, is ideal for little adrenaline seekers. For little kids, there is a small Ferris wheel. Kids will feel like they are on top of the world because it is 7 meters tall. Adults are welcome too. You will travel into the sky and back numerous times on this journey. This submarine soars into the air in the manner of a magic time. The Hair Racers Introduction Edition is open to both big kids and adults. Even though they have been updated to suit modern safety standards, some of the old rides are still in operation. Some have been changed or replaced. If you don't want to ride anything, you should still go to Luna Park for the breathtaking vistas it has to offer. The park's regular hours of operation are from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Park is accessible every day of the week, and Luna Park should be unquestionably included on your bucket list. Also, if you want to see more of the best attractions to visit in Sydney, you can't miss this video right here. My name is Rod, thanks for watching.